All right, here we go. This question in response to a video about installing your main drain. This was in particular with an in-floor system. I suppose you could address it both with an in-floor system or without. What drain do you recommend, and do you use 1.5 or 2-inch pipe?
So if we're talking in-floor systems, the main drains, what I use exclusively is the MDX drain from Paramount. And the reason being is it's all VGB compliant, number one, and it's 4-inch suction that you can reduce down to 2.5-inch suction. So to me, there's no such thing as an 1.5-inch line in an in-floor system. If it's on the suction side, which is the main drain, minimum is 2.5-inch line. On the return, however, back into the in-floor system, those tend to be 2-inch lines, nothing less than 2-inch. Suction side, 2.5 to 4-inch. In a lot of cases, we run 4-inch. Sometimes we run 3-inch. On occasion, 2.5-inch. But on the suction side, you always want to make sure, for it to be VGB compliant, to make sure that you have no anti-entrapment problems with that main drain line. You have to up that size of the line considerably. And I would say probably on average, when I think about it, we run 3-inch lines there and then 2-inch return lines to each of the zones.
There you go.